Today I will discuss about auditory pathway. It begins from hair cells of organ of Corti, terminates at spiral ganglion of corte within auditory cortex. At the beginning, it has many receptors. At beginning, it has many receptors. Receptors are hair cells of organ of Corti. Next, like visual cortex, it also has three order neurons: first order neuron, second order neuron, and third order neuron. First order neurons are mitral cells of spiral ganglion, whereas second order neurons are cochlear nuclei, both dorsal and ventral. These are present at the medulla oblongata. Next, third order neurons are superior olivary nucleus and nucleus of lateral lemniscus. These are the three order neurons. Then what are the relay stations? Relay stations are spiral ganglion, superior olivary nucleus, nucleus of lateral lemniscus, medial geniculate body, auditory cortex, auditory radiations, and inferior coluniculus. These are the some of the relay stations. Now coming to diagrammatic representation of auditory pathway. First order neuron starts at the spiral ganglion. This is the spiral ganglion and this is the cochlear nerve. And this is the cochlear nerve. Next, second order neuron is cochlear nuclei, both dorsal and ventral, which is present at the medulla oblongata. That's why first I will draw about medulla oblongata. This is the medulla oblongata. This is the ventral nucleus. This is the dorsal nuclei, and I think this is the midline. I think this is the midline. Next, first order neuron arises from the spiral ganglion. First order neuron arises as two set of fibers. Two sets we'll mark like this. These are the two set of fibers. Next, first set of fibers directly originates and relays at the this is the ventral nucleus, as I already told. Ventral nucleus or ventral nuclei. This is dorsal nuclei. First order neuron, first set of fibers comes directly ventral nucleus and relays here. Then first order neuron, second set of fibers comes and relays with the dorsal nuclei. This is the origin and termination of the first order neurons. Next, coming to second order neuron, I will draw with the other color. Second order neurons consists of 6 set of fibers. That means here will be 2 and here will be 2 and at the ventral nucleus will be 4. Next, here will be location of superior olivary nucleus. This is the superior olivary nucleus in both the halves. These are the 6 set of fibers of second order neurons. Now, in second order neuron, first set of fibers originates from the ventral nuclei and crosses the midline and reaches to superior olivary nucleus. In second order neuron, second set of fibers originate from the ventral nucleus and terminates or relays at the superior olivary nucleus of same side. Next, third set of fibers. Before that, let me draw nucleus of lateral lemniscus of both the sides. Third set of fibers arises from the ventral nuclei of the same side and crosses the other side, other half, and reaches to nucleus of lateral lemniscus. Next, fourth set of fibers arises from the ventral nuclei of the same side and reaches to nucleus of lateral lemniscus of the same side. And one more thing, this first set of fibers, while crossing this midline, here it forms as a trapezoid body. This is about origin and termination of the four set of fibers of the second order neurons. Then remaining two. This one, it directly comes to the same side of the nucleus lateral lemniscus. Next, other set, it crosses the midline and reaches to the nucleus lateral lemniscus. This is the origin and termination of the 6 set of fibers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, this will be medial geniculate body and this will be the auditory cortex. And third order neuron arises as 6 set of fibers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This here crossing over does not takes place, only at the region of second order neuron, it crosses the midline, whereas in the third order neuron, directly it originates from the neutral lemniscus and reaches to medial geniculate body. These are the first set, second set, third set and fourth set. Then from here, from the superior olivary nucleus also, one set will arises. It does not synapse with the nucleus lateral lemniscus. Directly it comes and relays with at the medial geniculate body. This is the medial geniculate body. If you remember, in visual cortex, you will get lateral geniculate body. Next, from here, same side, this set also reaches to medial geniculate body. If you see this color, green color indicates first order neuron, blue color indicates second order neuron, this red color indicates third order neuron. Here 2 set of fibers, here 6 set of fibers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again here also 6 set of fibers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is how origin and termination of the 3 order neuron takes place. After this, auditory radiation starts. These are the auditory radiations, reaches to auditory cortex. This is the auditory cortex. Now, where is the situation of the auditory cortex? It is situated in the Brodmann area, Brodmann's area 41 and 42. This too is called as primary auditory cortex, whereas area number 22, 21 and 20 is called as association auditory areas. Primary auditory cortex helps in perceiving the sound or perceiving the impulse, whereas this association helps in what and all perceived, it helps in interpretation of the sound which is heard. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, here in second order neuron, here it crossed the midline, and here also it crossed the midline, here also it crossed the midline. Why it is crossing the midline? You may get doubt. This is because whenever we hear the sound, we can hear the sound both the eyes similarly. There won't be any change in the intensity of the sound which we hear. This is due to crossing of the nerve fibers. We can just appreciate which side the sound is coming. There won't be any discrimination of the sounds heard by both the ears. This is the overall auditory pathway. It begins at the hair cells of the organ of corte, terminates or ends at the auditory cortex. Next, it has many receptors which are hair cells of the organ of corte. First order neurons are the spiral ganglion, whereas second order neurons are the dorsal and ventral cochlear nuclei. Third order neurons are the superior olivary nuclei. Next, these are the relay stations. Coming to the diagrammatic representation from the spiral ganglion, first order neurons will arise as 2 set of fibers. This is the first set of fiber. This is the second set of fiber. Next, first set of fibers directly on the same, it does not cross the midline. On the same side, it originates and terminates at the dorsal nucleus. Whereas second set of fibers, it is also same side, it terminates at the ventral nucleus. Next, second order neuron arises as 6 set of fibers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now, this one, it arises from the ventral nucleus, crosses the midline and relays at the superior olivary nucleus. Before relaying, it forms the trapezoid body. Next, second set of fibers, same side, it relays at the superior olivary nucleus. Next, third set of fibers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third set of fibers, it crosses the midline and terminates at the nucleus lateral lemniscus. Next, fourth set of fibers, on the same side, it terminates at the nucleus of lateral lemniscus. Next, from here, fifth set of second order neuron, sixth set of second order neuron. Fifth set of neurons crosses the midline and terminates at the nucleus of lateral lemniscus of the other side. Next, sixth set directly without crossing same side it relays. This is about second order neuron. Next, third order neuron also, 6 set of fibers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From the nucleus of lateral lemniscus, it first set arises and reaches to medial geniculate body. Second also, it arises from the nucleus lateral lemniscus and relays at the medial geniculate body. Next, third set, it arises from the superior olivary nucleus and without synapsing with the nucleus of lateral lemniscus, directly it terminates at the medial geniculate body. Next, from here, from other side of the superior olivary nucleus, it originates and terminates at the medial geniculate body. Next, other two set of fibers directly from the nucleus of lateral lemniscus, it originates and terminates at the medial geniculate body. Then this is all about first order neuron, second order neuron and third order neuron. Till here, third order neuron relaying takes place. After that, from here, through auditory radiations, impulses or sound waves reaches to auditory cortex. Area numbers are primary auditory cortex areas 41 and 42. Association areas are 22, 21 and 20. This is about auditory pathway. Thank you for watching the video.